Oh, you guys, so this is here down my living lecture. We're seeing this as after the repairs, testing on a cotton sporting fixture. The extra instance of this is another white class and I'm going to device on 90 because both they be obviously this is white on 90 because they make a great food. So I'm going to got this box or what is it in the box. I'm going to put it in. I'm just going to skip the spin. Back to going second one. Oh no, it's not going to there. Look, it's actually hitting the glass. It makes you like basically hitting the glass or something like before spin. I like to say game because I say one big clay. This is a nice bag go. If you don't want to service like a 4-3 months. Then actually, you know, we're spinning some silken colours. But I can do like all of the silken colours. We stuck to one side, then actually the whole place just came off. Actually, the drum came off, this came off, the door came off, the side came off. I was shocked so we bought this bar too far. That just, they're good. Yeah, you sure it's them first, but like we can't go back. But I will be still keeping this for new backbone. We're going on. We're going an hour and 8 minutes left. Ooh. Ah, yeah. Basically, the socks aren't really good. Cause this last like 3 years now. I bought this in 2018, 3 years ago. To 2021 now. Almost here now. We're going to go. We're going to actually better watch it back up.